Alright, this dude just ran into the back of me. Ran into the back of the trailer. Going too fucking fast. Hit his brakes and locked up. And this is what happened. You know? So, nice international too. So he's down in the ditch. You know, my trailer got buckles in the back from where it hit. But he almost came out of it, but he wasn't good enough with his handle. And he hit the back of my truck with his back tires. And you can see the marks right there somewhere. What's going on? I'm all right.
Anybody else?
For now. I don't know about him. There you go. Yeah. This is.
Hey, if you want to get off the next exit, there's a speedway on the south side. You should be able to go to the light and come back and get in that parking lot up that way. I can meet you there.
Okay, in the speedway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get your phone number though. Come back here real quick. Let me get you off the shoulder so you don't get.
Yeah, for somebody else running in the back of somebody. Cause nobody put their flashers on. Everybody just start braking. Yeah. You know.
There's over that hill, they couldn't see lights up there. That's one. I was trying to get up here to give them some lights back in.
Yeah.
Nobody's hurt. I asked them both, so. Alright.
Okay, you know what? That's all right, yeah. We're going to get out of here so we get this open up more.
Thomas 510-228-8854. And I gave you my license, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I gotta wait for that anyway.
What's the
510-228-8854.
Go up there, I'll call you. Go to that speed. Go next exit, go south, stoplight, you'll see the speedway to the left. There's a big parking lot you can pull back in that.
Okay, about how long you think?
I'm gonna try to get him towed out of there. I mean, if I can get another U-brake here, I'll come up and say get you out of here too. So.
Yeah, because you got all the paperwork and my license. So.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Well, this is a video. I guess I should have told you that. So, just so you know. Because I know Illinois, you're not supposed to videotape police officers. Yeah, I found out one day they pulled me over and I was videotaping. He said, you know you can go to jail for that. I'm like, are you serious? I'm like, yeah, I'm serious. Okay.
Well, that's clear. It's from the Putnam State Police Post, okay?
Okay.
You got questions, try to get a hold of me, call that.
Okay, I'll try to find a park at the Speedway. Yeah. All right.
Let me stop here a second.
Wow. Hey, they don't even want to stop for you.
No.
People don't be paying attention, man. They just be driving. Yeah. Well, I had to come through this on my way to Ohio. But see, I've been doing this 18 years, so, and I lived in Washington State, so I know how to deal with this weather. But these other guys, they just be driving, you know. All right, thank you.
And you're in the left lane, and you try to get over.
I was in the left lane. I was coming up. I had passed him up. Yep. I waited till I got clear, moved over, and then all of a sudden the truck in front of me had jammed on his brake from the truck in front of him. So I started tapping my brakes to slow down, and I realized, okay, that ain't gonna work, but the worst thing you do is lock up on your brakes.
What's up in that?
You know, don't lock up on, what the hell? Don't lock up on your brakes, but then all you're gonna do is slide. So I kept tapping faster, faster, and moved over at the same time watching him come up on me in my mirror, because I had a guy running to the back of me in Wyoming before, you know? So I seen he wasn't gonna make it. So I tried to move over a little more. He almost made it. He got the back tires. He was almost around, but he locked up on his fucking brakes. If he would have let up off the brakes, the truck would have corrected, boom. But he stayed locked up on the brakes.